Alright everyone, you don't know who this is. This is the Skiller. And I'm gonna bring to you a series of voice notes of what a deacon have to say. And a newly member lady that seems to be a pastor, right? Judging by what the voice note says. Now, the deacon, trust me. And me said this from the start to give you a fair warning. Say that the words you're about to hear on these voice notes are not clean. Observe.
Thomas, I want to ask you a question. Good morning, Pastor Thomas. This is Deacon West from Passa Sinai, live in America. Me same one. The one who caught the judgment and the one don't have something there. Let me ask you something this morning. You get a stall from the bishop. What you waiting for? Supermarket? You want supermarket? So as of your pussy one good. That you get stall and you are wait from supermarket. If you get from the bishop, you say you come up as a sign and you fuck down and mash up the church. That's what you come to do. As I look up to you when I just hear you come to Passa Sinai. I say you're a woman of integrity and look like you have somebody. But to find out now that you're a bitch. Because you come to the church and you realize that the bishop and Pastor Shah have children to have a child together, and you come in with the other pastor lady, and you come in at the church, and Pastor Thomas, you really go there with Bishop Dennis Messias. So you are so low and so classless that you come in at the church and you put one in your forehead as a big woman. You know a big people in a church and you know carry no pussy in no forehead. You know pussy no have no condition. And what want shampoo? And then the shampoo you want? You married how much time and for your pussy can't hold no man. And I say walk when I take every man where you can get. You know big woman. 4 times you want married. And you come down and Dennis Messiah you want to come roll up in your bind the pussy. I saw you one wicked and bad man. And she and that Jamaica to blood clot for deal with you know. So I don't want to hear people want people hear what now going with the church. The big pastor woman. You get stall and you want blood clot supermarket with drive through. Eh? You come down there your friend with Bishop with Pastor Shah and you did a techie man at the same time. I don't have a friend in a church. You have to stop it man, you're not too low. You know what like with a big woman and a blood clot all sagara. You know walk with no pussy and fuck everyone no go.
Batty man boy, if me even not take Bishop, me not take another woman. And me not take Bishop, cause suck your mama dirty boy. Batty man. Man a play up in your shit pit. Man a play up in your shit pit, now man a play up with me. I'm not there with Messiahs. One time I married dirty boy. Dirty old boy. When man a play up in your shit pit. I'm not take Dennis, I'm not tap go Maspen Road. Anytime you come on Maspen Road, you go come see me. I'm not tap go down there. All I know we are surrogate up on a talk about me and Dennis there. Me and Dennis not there. Because me couldn't see the dilemma we are going down there. I'm go drop in at that dirty boy. And you go tell you and your friend them, go tell your friend them, I say anytime you want to fuck, me ride the plane, go fuck and come back. You hear me I tell you? My man live a Curacao. Every time you want to fuck, me ride the plane go fuck. Me not fuck with no girl. You hear me I tell you? I'm not there with Dennis. So get on a hack together. The whole I don't know where I call up my name. Get on a hack together. I'm not there with Bishop Messiahs. Oh, we can swear upon my mama grave. I'm not there with Dennis. So no get on a hack together on a nastiness. So no go away. All I know is Saddamite and Batman.
Man supposed to play up in my blood clot because me good. That's why man a play up in my blood clot. And let me tell you something. So why you deal with me now? Man supposed to play up in my blood clot because me have something where man want. You not have a mama blood clot when man walk because say you fear walk. Them hoping like a blood clot close pin and I say you hoping and can't hold. Make me tell you something. You don't know a mama blood clot about me. And if me a batty man with class coming up fuck any kind of man. Learn that this bitch. Okay? You is a low class dirty blood clot bitch. That's what you are. Because you go there and you get a blood clot style. You want pussy clot supermarket in your big stinking pussy hole Thomas. Where walk a fuck with blood clot man like a dog. Dirty girl. You can't hold a blood clot man for yourself. Nasty pussy hole woman. Your pussy full of rat. That's why you can't hold a blood clot man. You're saying I'm a grip in your hole, girl. You can't hold a man for your married until now you can't hold a blood clot man. Look how much time they catch you from with man to blood clot. That's why your husband don't left you. Dirty nasty pussy Thomas. Big dirty nasty blood clot old Thomas. And you me a pussy clot talk. You think me afraid of no blood clot? You think me afraid of you? Oh, in a match pen would must say blood clot afraid of, but I'm not afraid of you at all. Dirty girl. You can't put up my blood clot in your pocket because this a one ya. This a dirty blood clot boy. No afraid of no pussy clot woman. I woman like you make me stand the ground on no blood clot walk from because you're not no class. You make me not no nature of a blood clot woman because say you are down to the ground. The blood clot dog have him season but you don't have none. You walk and fuck like a pussy clot dog.
Alright. Me da love to play the number 4 voice note for you so but me can't play it. You see me? Because trust me, won't just hear a while ago and I'm not yet. You see it? No, but big man thing, really and truly though. You see? When time me hear some mix up a go on at the church between the new member pastor, right, which is the new lady there, and the bishop and the veteran pastor. You know me did take it light. You know, come here and say at church people for them argument and nothing and rare. But you see when time me hear the voice note them for myself, and me hear the words them where drop like lightning and a roll like thunder, me have to say, but kiss me neck. Are really the church I go on so? No, for real, me have to ask myself this question. You see me? Mix up will always go on in a church. It always happen over the years. We know that where pastor have relationship with members and these things. We know all that. But me never would I imagine if you hear the words where I strike out of the pastor's mouth, the deacon's mouth. Can you imagine the words where I go strike out of the other 2 persons' mouth are missing out of this voice note? Because I know the main 2 people them, which is, well, not the main 2, the other 2, because normally it's 3 people at the topic right now. This newly member pastor, the bishop, and the veteran pastor. But the veteran pastor and the bishop not really in your so. You know what I mean? Because trust me, if them 2 you go on so, me I wonder what them would do too. No, on a real note, these people should be setting examples, you know? And the deacon, him look like him really angry. You know what I mean? But me can ask you the viewers a question like, really and truly, if these things are happening at the church, is it any of his business for him to really act out so harsh about it? I mean, I know it is not right, but this is just my view. I'm saying that, is it really up to him for, deal with the matter like that? Because you have to remember, the church has a leader. And the leader should set the example. Which into all me a year while go on, it no look like the leader set no example. Now all of this voice note we hear is not a 100% guarantee that we hear happen. Because all of this are just hearsay. Mix up and blend that Jamaica would call it. You see me? And some of the things when me hear that pastor say a while ago, me know Jamaica people nah go agree with that. Me know that. Not say Jamaica people, but many. And it's not only Jamaica, enough people in the world too. You know what? I'm going to stop it right here so me not go too far. What we want to do is tell me what to think about the whole situation. And as always, if you need to know more, you have to click the subscribe button to the Skilla Entertainment. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.